In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Slack. Integrating these tools can streamline your workflow, making it easier to keep your team updated and informed without the hassle of switching between different apps all the time. Let's start by opening Slack on your desktop or web app, whichever you prefer. Slack is where you and your team communicate and collaborate, and today we're going to add a little extra functionality to make it even more powerful. Now, once you've opened Slack, you'll want to navigate over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a menu labeled Apps. This is where you can find hundreds of apps that integrate with Slack, enhancing its efficiency and helping you automate some of your daily tasks. Next, click on Apps. You'll be greeted with a search bar at the top, which allows you to explore the vast number of integrations available. In this bar, type in Sheets. We're looking for the Google Sheets app, which will allow us to seamlessly connect our Google Sheets and Slack accounts. Once the results load, you should see the Google Sheets app pop up. Click on it and look for the Install button. Clicking Install will initiate the installation process. Don't worry, this process is straightforward and simple. After clicking Install, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account with Slack. This part is essential because without this connection, Slack wouldn't be able to access your Google Sheets. So go ahead and click on Connect Your Account. It's important to note that this connection is secure and required for Slack to access the data from Google Sheets and deliver those notifications or updates to your team. You'll then be redirected to Google to sign in. Make sure to use the Google account that has access to the sheet you're interested in linking to Slack. This is crucial because only the sheets from this account will be accessible through this integration. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message telling you that your account has been successfully connected. Congratulations, you've done it. Now you just need to set up notifications, which can be customized to your liking. Everything should be working smoothly now. Every time there's an update or change in a selected Google Sheet, Slack will notify you, keeping everyone in the loop with minimal effort. Don't forget that you can always fine-tune which notifications you'd like to receive by setting rules directly in the Google Sheets notifications section. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to integrate Google Sheets with Slack. This small adjustment can significantly enhance how your team works and communicates, ensuring everyone stays up to date on important data changes without much fuss. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips in the future.